Hello everyone, my name is Aidar and I'm gonna teach you how to do the Basin characterization like it's written, like it's made in the book, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. And we start from the Basin area, and uh, the to get started, you need to install the Quantum GIS software. Once you install it, double click on the QGIS desktop. And when it's open, you click on the new empty project to create new empty project. And now we can work to create the basic characterization. I will show this characterization on the example of the Chunky Mean Valley, Chunky Mean Basin. And before we are going to retrieve the information on the basin area, we need to know how to import the data into the Quantum GIS software. You just need to open the folder where you have the data. In my case, this folder with the name JS. And now for the basin area information, I need to import the basin shape file. Shape file is the file that contains the information about geographical units, or we can just quickly Google what is a shape file. I strongly advise you to Google everything that you don't understand, because it's very powerful way of knowing what to do. So shapefile format is a digital vector storage format for storing geographical location and associated attribute information. So how to import this file into the Quantum GIS? There are several ways of doing that. The simplest one is to just drag the file from the folder into the software. And also, there is another one way of doing that. It's using the browser panel. If you don't have it, click on the View panels and then checkbox of the browser. How to use the browser? You just double click to open the folder and find the same folder where you got this data. So JS, and here's Basin. So I opened it twice. So yeah, now we imported the data shapefile of the Chunky Mean Valley. To get the basin area information, we need to explore this shapefile. Let's double click on it, and as we can see, we have no information on the basin area. We just have the projection, the type, the geometry, the encoding, and one of the most important, the units. So we now know that the units of this file is in meters. So okay, and another one important way of retrieving information from the shapefile is to open attribute table. Here it is. You open it, and we have just the name of the valley, Chunky Mean. And in order to get the information of the basin area, let's open the field calculator. That is the very powerful tool for calculation and creation any sorts of information. And let's calculate the area. We create the output field name, and we choose the format type decimal number real, and then we click on the geometry $sign area, and now we will have the preview of this value for this basin, for this shapefile. Click OK, and now we have the area. Click on the this to pencil to save this data, and now we can copy and paste. So this is how we get the basin area information from the shapefile. But there is also some issue that we need to that the data from this shapefile is in meters, but for the Basin characterization we need square kilometers, and it's very easy way of doing that. We just divide this value by 1 million. And now we have the square kilometers basin area of Chongqing Basin. Next one is elevation, and now we have to do the maximum, minimum, and mean elevation for this basin. We cannot export the information about elevation from shapefile because it doesn't contain any elevation data. For the elevation, we need to use the DEM file. Let's click it and look at it. What is the DEM file? Let's look what Google says. Yeah, it says that it is a digital elevation model. It is representation of the ground topographic surface of the earth, excluding trees and buildings. So for our purpose to find out what is the minimum, maximum, and mean elevation, this is the perfect file. DEM files are usually huge files with a format .tif, and if your computer loads this file for a long time, don't worry, it is very usual thing for digital elevation models. Let's make it more appealing to the eye, so it's not just black and white. Let's double click onto them, then choose the symbology and the render type single pseudo color, and then let's choose the color ramp. Let's create a new color ramp, catalog. Okay, and we have the pre-installed already topographic color palettes. Apply, and now we have more beautiful digital elevation model. Let's get the information about that. There are several ways. Sometimes the elevation information is already calculated and available in the first page, in the information page. Here, statistics, mean, maximum, and minimum. However, it is not the case for all digital elevation models. So I'm going to show you how to get this information if you don't have on the first page. You click toolbox, and then you need to type raster layer statistics. Then choose the input layer, the DEM file. Click run, and in the results we will have the minimum, maximum, and mean value. Just copy and paste from that, and here we go. If you have some questions, concerns, or you struggle to do that, you can always write me, or you can just Google what you want to do but don't know how to do that, and YouTube and Google will always have answers on that. So but you need to be precise, and you need to know how to ask the question from the Google. So if you want to get the precise answer. That's all for geographical Basin characterization. I will make several more videos on the hydrology, climate, land cover, and glacial characterization of the basin. So, thank you.